this look that you see here, it has purples, golds, it also has oranges, and I'll be using this lovely palette. Make sure you guys subscribe. Keep on watching. I'm going for the Eden color to begin, which is the color that I use for my transition color. I'm gonna go in with Blazing. And the brush I'm using is the Morphe M433 brush. I purchased this in Ulta. I love these brushes because while they're not as good as the MAC ones, they definitely still do the job. They have a lot of bristles. You can still get on up in there and create that look that you definitely want. Okay, I'm just gonna add a little bit in that corner. And then with the extra, just like brush it on in. And now I'm gonna go in with Amethyst. And I'm just gonna put that on the lid area, literally like here, this whole like half of C area. These colors are so beautiful. I love purples. Purples always remind me of, I don't know how long you guys been following me, but when I first came out, I did my Christmas makeup challenge, which was a look every day in the month of December, not last year, but the year before. So 2016, and I did a look with purple and I absolutely loved it. I also used a purple lipstick from NYX Cosmetics. Whenever I dig into purples, I always think of, you know, my humble beginnings. So more concentrating on the inner corner and the outer corner, and of course this area here. For some reason, my purple color, the amethyst color, doesn't grab as much as the Blazing or the Eden did. I don't know why. It looks so much darker on the palette, so I just have to basically just pack it on. Pack, 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 pack. Yeah, that's better. Pack it on in, girl. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use a concealer. You guys can use absolutely any concealer you guys want. The lucky concealer that we'll be using today is the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. Look how that gold looks with that purple. I love it. It is so cute! Look at it, guys. It's so cute. Oh my gosh, I freaking love this gold. It's so nice. With the other brush that I was using, I'll put a little bit more amethyst. Just clean everything up. Have another one. I want to add a little bit more Blazing here because I just want this to just catch a little bit more orange. I just want to put some of that Nefertiti here on the arch, just to give it a super dramatic glow. Just blend it through. But I want it mostly to be on this arch right here. Do you guys remember this baby? It's still here kicking. The Tom Ford Illuminating Primer. Just put a little bit all over my face. Honestly, don't even know what foundation to use because summertime, I've been using this BB cream from YSL that has literally been doing miracles on me. It gives me a tint, not too dramatic, super natural looking, but my skin could just breathe all day, which is like what's mostly important for me. Usually in the summer when it's so hot, I don't even wear makeup, but I do want a little bit more dramatic, more finished look today, so I am gonna go with foundation. Before anything else, let's just do a liner. We could just wing it out. A little baby wing, nothing too dramatic. Nothing too dramatic, and the wing just keeps on getting bigger and bigger, always. I'm gonna finish this off camera because I'm literally like sweating to death. And when I get this one, I'll come right back to you guys. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna use a new foundation that I've never used. The L'Oreal Paris Infallible Pro Matte 102, shade 102 Shell Beige. And I'm super excited because I've heard nothing but good things about this foundation, but I've personally never used it before. When I try new foundations, it's a little bit scary because I usually like to commit cold-heartedly from beginning to end, and you just never know if it's gonna be the right shade, the right texture, if it's gonna oxidize. So here goes nothing. Oh, it's a little light. A little light. We're gonna have to correct it with our contouring. The bronze a little bit too. I mean, I just put it on, but it feels good. It doesn't feel super heavy. I do want to put just a little bit more on the lips because it acts as a primer for the lipstick. Now that we look like Casper the Friendly Ghost's twin sister, we're gonna go in with some concealer. The concealer that I'm using is the one that I used before, the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. High points, every place that I want to be just a little bit highlighted. I need to bake it. I'm gonna go in with the Naked Cosmetics baking powder that I received in my, I think I received this in my Ipsy bag if I'm not mistaken. Always put the concealer around this area. It doesn't change the color of the concealer, but it just doesn't like crack on you and get all crinkly, wrinkly, whatever throughout the day. And the concealer stays right there. It's like a little babysitter, making sure that it acts good throughout the whole entire day. I'm gonna wipe that off. I actually like this blush. This brush, I was using it just to clean up. This is a crown brush. I received this in Ipsy. I would say I never use anything from Ipsy, but here I am literally using everything from it. I'm gonna go in with my favorite all-time ever bronzer ever. This is the one from CoverGirl, the True Blend Bronzer. And I'm gonna go right here where I would contour. I like this brush. I'm just warm up my whole face. Does she look contoured is the question. I did not contour with cream contour because literally in the summer I'm just melting, like my face is literally melting off. So I try to use the least amount of products possible. So I kind of just cut corners with the contouring thing and just use a bronzer instead. Contour my nose. Now we are bringing it back to basics. Royal Sunset blush. I love this brush. As you see, I hit pan a million years ago. I'm pretty sure it's loaded with bacteria, but when I find a new blush that I actually freaking like, then I'll change. I was using the Milani one and it's good and everything, but it's no MAC Cosmetics. Blush it up because we just have so much blood rushing to our cheeks because we're so happy. Yes, we are. We're so happy. I know people really like the Anastasia Amrezy highlighter. It's really good. I did use it. My cousin has it. It's super good. And I was going to purchase it before I received this baby. Oh, darling. It says Extra Dimension Skin Finish Highlighter. Look at that baby there. She is glowing. She glows. She glows. With a Morphe M510 brush with no finishing spray, and then I'll use it with, and you guys could see the difference. Look at this. Look at this. I'm literally doing it super light too. My BFF Tony put me on. I freaking love this highlighter. That is without this. Oh my gosh, it looks so cute. I'm gonna get a setting spray for you guys and I'll let you see the difference. But before I do that, let me just finish highlighting the rest. All right, I'm gonna use the Too Faced Peach Mist Mattifying Setting Spray. This is with the setting spray. Oh my gosh, look at that. Look at that. That is crazy. Oh my gosh. This is crazy. Like, I know you guys are bent out of shape with the Anastasia one, and I really like it too, but this baby, oh my gosh, I love it. I am going to take my Morphe E18 brush, take the Eden color, put it underneath. It just has like a little base. Now I'm going to take the Blazing color. And now I'm going to take Amethyst color and go a little bit closer to the eyelashes. Now I just want those inner corners to pop. I'm going to put a little bit of setting spray on this brush. And basically like soaked it all up. Use the Nefertiti again. Now I'll be using this baby. I love it. Makes your eyebrows look so soft. It still extends them, but in more of a softer, like fuller look. This is the mascara. It's by YSL. Mascara Volume Effect Fox. This here is how it comes out. It's the wand. The wand is magical. They look so freaking nice. Now I was deciding on what lip to use, and I think I'm gonna go with a purple lip. This is Rebel Satin Lipstick by MAC Cosmetics. I actually did a review. This was part of their Christmas collection, and the review is on my channel. They're pretty good colors, and they still have the individuals in every single color. So if I were you, I would definitely go check that video out. So I'm just gonna use a lip pencil. I don't have the lip liner, and I want it to be super precise. Thank you guys so much for watching. I missed you guys. I will see you guys definitely soon. Let me know in the comment section what you guys want to see from me. Love you guys. Bye.